This video is presented to you by AEDmarket.com, and in today's video, we'll go over how to tell if the ZOLL AED3 is ready for rescue. When it comes to emergencies, the last thing you want is an AED that doesn't work. A major reason for AED failure is lack of proper maintenance. AEDs are simple to inspect and maintain, and will guide you through the steps to make sure that your ZOLL AED3 is ready for rescue. The most important inspection tasks include checking the status indicator and ensuring that the electrode pads and batteries have not expired. This AED conducts self-tests weekly and monthly, and custom settings allow you to schedule specific days and times for these automatic self-tests. The status indicator on the ZOLL AED3 is located on the front panel to the right of the on and off button. It displays a green check when the unit is ready for rescue. If the window is blank, it indicates that the unit failed its self-test and is not ready for use. Each month, you will want to check these three things. 1. Verify that the green check mark is displayed in the status window. 2. Check the expiration dates of your AED pads and batteries. On the ZOLL AED3, they both have a 5-year expiration. 3. Assess the overall condition of the AED and document of any issues. Each monthly inspection can be logged on the check tag that we provide for free with each AED. If you have any questions about the ZOLL AED3, please feel free to give us a call at 1-800-441-8378 or visit our website at www.aedmarket.com.